Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters, and happy Easter po sa inyong lahat. We have a secret how to live and even embrace the gift of Easter. How we can truly celebrate the joy, the blessings, the consolations of this Easter season. And we have to look at the example and the person of Mary Magdalene in today's gospel. When Mary heard and Mary visited rather the tomb of Jesus himself, she saw an empty tomb. She saw angels sitting where Jesus was laid. She saw that indeed the news is true, that the body of Jesus was missing. But we have to take notice what Mary did. Madami pong beses na nagtila paikot-ikot si Maria Magdalena. She was facing the tomb, and then came the voice of Jesus, that gardener she thought it was, who called her, "Why are you weeping?" She turned again to the Lord. And maybe after telling that gardener kung saan man niyo ho siya ninakaw o inilagay, sabihin niyo po sa akin para makita ko ho siya. And maybe after saying that, she turned again because she was weeping, she was sad. But when she heard that familiar voice once more calling her now Mary, she turned again to Jesus and acknowledged that indeed the Lord is here. Siya na nga yung kumausap sa akin. The secret to a happy Easter season, to a joyful life, is not only to stiffen our eyes to that direction, not only to stick our eyes to the tomb, but Mary is teaching us, turn around, kumilos-kilos din po, tumingin at makita na hindi lang dito nakatingin, kundi baka ang pagkabuhay, ang mensahe ng kaligayahan ay nasa paligid din natin at tinatawag din po tayo. My dear brothers and sisters, do not be stiffened or do not stiff our eyes during this season. But let us turn around and see how the good news is there to visit us and even to preach its message to us. Baka po lagi lang tayong nakatuon doon sa nagpapalungkot sa atin, pero hinahayaan ho tayo na tumingin din sa ibang parte na naroon naman pala yung magbibigay sa atin ng kaligayahan. We might be focusing only to this message that dampened our spirit. Yung nagpabigo sa atin, yung nagpabigat ng ating damdamin, yung nagpasama ng ating kalooban. And we might be enjoying these days looking only to that. But Mary Magdalene taught us, turn around, because Jesus is there telling you, hey, I am here. I am alive. This is the good news for you. Do not be stiff. Turn around and see how the good news is there to welcome you and to be preached to you. And as we turn around and see that the good news is preached by our loved ones, experienced to us by friends and families, all the more like Mary, we will be an apostle to the apostles, telling our friends, telling our loved ones, indeed, I have seen the Lord. Indeed, there is good news.
Please stand.
Through the gospel, Christ speaks to us with words